Here are three things you need to avoid if you want to become profitable come 2025. If you are a complete beginner or you have been in the trading space for quite some time and you're having challenges making profit, this is going to help you a whole lot. And if you're also an advanced trader, I believe you are going to learn one or two things from this particular video. So from the title, here are three things you need to completely avoid. You are going to notice the changes after like a month or two if you just avoid this, and these are all relevant. If you are meeting me for the first time, I'm Josao. I'm from Sierra Leone, West Africa. I'm a crypto, forex and synthetic indices trader. I've been trading for over 2 years now. So without wasting time, let's jump right into this video. The first thing, which is like so important, I can't stress on this, is Telegram Signal communities. Yes, relax, let me just explain this. Just feel like very comfortable to listening to this, and it's going to make a whole lot of sense shortly. If you want to become profitable, you need to avoid Telegram Signal communities. You can join communities, but not Signal. All right, communities like a telegram group that what is mainly focused, or the main aim or the motive or reason for the creation of that particular group is going to be for just signal. The thing that is going to happen is you are just going to depend on signal. You might saying like, all right, I just want to make like cash, and your signal provider, Mr. A or Mr. B, is sending you lot of signals, and the signals are accurate. The problem here is if you want to do trading for the long term, you don't want to depend on anyone. This is just like generally for life. You don't want to depend on anyone when it comes to anything. All right, people are capable of changing. One thing I find very funny when it comes to the signal providers is like you have they have monthly subscription fee, which means you pay $20, $50, 100, 200, or as the case might be. At the end of the day, they send you signal and you end up blowing up your account. Are you going to hold them responsible? No. And the other funny thing is like sometimes it takes you guys like 1 week, 2 week, 3 weeks just to even raise 10, 20, 30, $40. Then all of a sudden, or you took like 2 weeks, 3 weeks to grow a particular account, taking $10 to $100 just for you to join that particular Telegram community. At the end of the day, just a single signal is going to end up blowing your account. All right, let's take this scenario. Some of you have witnessed a particular situation. Let's say, for example, ZAO USD, you trading gold. You analyze like, okay, this trade is going to go for a buy, but at the end of the day, what the signal provider says sell. Then the trade played out, and you were right. Your buy was correct, but the reason is you are not comfortable, you are not confident in yourself, you don't have faith in yourself, you don't believe in yourself, so you decide to go with the signal provider. At the end of the day, you end up losing that particular trade, or you might even blow up your account. So if you want to become profitable come 2025, the first thing you need to avoid is like focusing or depending on people for signal. You don't want that at all. If you might want to say you are very busy with work and other stuff, we have like what we call account management. You have people that provide account management services. At the time of recording this video, I don't provide short facility, probably in the future, which means like, for example, you know nothing about trading, or you know about trading but you don't have like the time to just go about to sit in front of the chart to analyze and all. You can just look for someone that you trust. It must be like someone you trust, and they are going to manage your fund. At the end of every week or month, they just send you the profits according to your agreement. You have like copy trading and all, but these are for people that are very busy, that are just they just want to invest. All right, they want to invest. Copy trading also is like what they are available. But if you are like intending to take trading, all right, to call up your 9 to 5 job currently, you're a medical doctor, you're a lawyer, you're a student, you want trading to be your full-time job, like this is currently my full-time job. So what you want to do is like, don't depend on signal community. You want to be able to analyze the charts by yourself. At the end of the day, then you are able to come up and then with a decision like, okay, this is going to be a buy, this is going to be a sell. If you end up doing the account, you take responsibility instead of just depending on someone signal. At the end of the day, you end up doing your account. That is going to pain you a whole lot. I was there, but when I quitted like depending on signal community, my trading game improved a whole lot. Now I'm grateful, at least I'm able to make some huge amount of cash from the market because of what? Just this one major reason. Okay, so let's jump into number 2. Before I talked about number 2, if you are finding value in this particular tutorial, ensure you subscribe if you have not. Like this video, share the video to others, and if you have any question, drop them in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond to you within 24 hours. If you stay to the end, I'm going to summarize something about signal that is going to make a whole lot of sense. The second thing which you need to avoid is a lot of YouTube information, a lot of YouTube channel. You are like this particular type of trader that you consume a whole lot of information. You have like a whole lot of information currently. When it comes to like technical analysis, you have like you have the information, but you don't know how to use this. The reason for this is like you have taken a whole lot of information and you don't know how to implement this, how to use this currently. For example, you watch a video from my channel and you watch a video from Mr. A, Mr. B, C, and all, and Miss D channel. Now let's say, for example, support and resistance. You have watched support and resistance from my channel, you move again to 2-3 channel and all, and you might get something slightly different. Now it becomes very difficult for you to go about to try this particular stuff that you have learned, because you alone, you have like a lot of YouTube channel. What I would recommend if you are a beginner, I learned trading directly by myself from YouTube and other resources like ChatGPT, Google, and other stuff, baby pips as well. Just by myself, and I'm profitable with no mentor and all. I might say you don't need to get a mentor, you need a mentor. It's going to make the process very easy for you, very short for you to become profitable. But that's going to be for another upcoming tutorial. So you want to like avoid a lot of YouTube videos. Find 2 to 3 or 4 maximum is like enough for you. One for technical analysis. I will recommend if you're a complete beginner or a newbie, focus on my channel for technical analysis. That has to do with support and resistance, your demand and supply, your indicators, your trend line, all right, the candlestick patterns, the chart patterns, and a whole lot of other tools. This is going to be a good start off. You can just check the playlist Crypto for Beginners, Forex for Beginners, or Static Indices. You are going to learn a whole lot. And I also have a special technical analysis playlist where I teach you step by step for free. So the videos are all there. It's up to you to take your time and learn just the basics. Okay, because if you watch like a lot of YouTube channel, now you are going to have like a lot of information, but you don't know how to use these informations at all. You don't know how to use this information, then it's going to become a problem. That's why like most of you have not been profitable, because sometimes you also watch YouTube video and you tend not to implement. You learn trading by trading. That's what I always used to tell my students. You learn trading by trading. You don't just take 4, 5, 6 hours to watch a YouTube course, then you think you are now okay. You enter into the market. Nah, does not work like that. You have to practice. You have to backtest. You have to backtest and see if this one is actually working for you. Sometimes this particular strategy might work for trader A, it might not work for you. For example, let's say support and resistance. I'm using support and resistance to trade. One technical tool can work for me, but cannot work for the next trader. So it means that you have to try different tool and try to stick to the one that is working for you. But if you are just here, it's going to delay the time for you to become profitable. All right, it's going to delay the time for you to become profitable. So you need to find 2, 3 YouTube channel, at least one YouTube for technical analysis. I will recommend my channel, Joseph Say Concept, the one you are currently watching from. If you have not subscribed, ensure to subscribe so you get like notification whenever I post a new video. Then for fundamental analysis, I don't know this guy, but I learned a lot of stuff from this guy. Trader Nick. When it comes to fundamental, you subscribe to the channel. All right, just this is the link, the platform here. Just search for this one, Trader Nick, and you are going to go to the playlist section. You are going to see fundamental analysis. All right, for beginners. That's about like trading. You need to know about economic data indicators and a whole lot of other stuff that pushes what the forex market. So that's what the second thing you need to avoid if you want to become profitable come 2025 as a beginner trader or profitable trader. The final thing, which is like, I see beginners tend to make a lot of mistakes when it comes to this, is doing what? Trading demo for long. They trade demo for quite a lot of time. Now, what is demo account? Demo account is a virtual account, all right, that is being provided by your broker or your exchange. If you are trading crypto, you are trading from an exchange. So for example, if you don't have a brokerage account, ensure to check the link in the description of this video. Or if you want to start trading indices or forex or crypto, just click the link in the description, and when you create your account, you are going to get a welcome bonus as well. So beginners tend to make this mistake by trading demo for long. The reason for demo is very easy. For you want to understand the platform, how to deposit fund, how to withdraw fund, how to transfer fund from one wallet to another wallet. And the other reason for demo is to like backtest your strategy, to test if this particular strategy, let's say you have watched YouTube video, or let's say supply and demand. It is up to you now to test this supply and demand strategy to see if it's working for you. If you don't have a strategy currently, you can check my strategy playlist. I have about 4, 5, 6 different strategies which you can test and see if it is working for you. So you want to test these strategies and all. That's the only need for demo. Because you don't want to like just watch a YouTube video, all of a sudden you just jump in with your real money. You don't know if like this is working for you. As I mentioned earlier, one technical tool can be working for me but might not be working for you. What might be working for you might not be working for me, or it is possible it is working for both of us. So you need to please note this one. So you need to avoid trading demo for quite a long time. For example, like for my mentorship, I offer mentorship. The next batch, which is batch 9, is going to start January 6th. The fee is $100. It's not free. It's going to be from beginner to advanced. You're going to learn about crypto, forex, synthetic indices. If you basically want to join the mentorship, just send a message to me by Instagram at Joseph C Concept or Facebook. My accounts are all verified. Don't send money to anyone. I will send you my WhatsApp number so you confirm that this is me, to avoid scammers. A lot of people are using my name currently to scam people. Please note this one. So that's basically it, fam. What you need to do is like, I advise my students like at least 2 weeks, maybe ideally like a month, for you to trade demo. After that, it is better for you to like deposit your $5, $10 and start practicing. The problem with trading demo for a long time is it affects your psychology, it affects your mind. And you and I know like trading is about 80% deals with what psychology, how you tend to deal with what your emotion, your mood. So now let's say you are trading a demo account, and let's say you have like $10,000. What is going to happen? You are going to open like big standard, like 5 standard, 7 standard, 10 standard lot. You'll be trading all pairs, like you'll be trading gold, you'll be trading Bitcoin, which are not beginner friendly pairs for you to trade. If you're a beginner, I will not recommend that. If you want to know the best pairs for beginner, check the link in the description to what the best 5 pairs that I will recommend as a beginner for you to start trading. And the conditions why I selected these pairs are also like available. So what you want to do is like you want to go very slow. All right, you want to go very slow. Don't like spend a lot of time trading demo. You want to put your $5, your $10. At the end of the day, you just trade step by step. Because now you open 10 standard, 20 standard with demo account. You and I know you can't afford $10,000. When you are going to start trading real account, you are just going to have like $10, 20, 30, 40, 50, $100 to deposit. Now you have used to trading $10,000, $20,000. You have used to make like cash like $200, $500 a day in your demo. But in your real account, you can't do because of the fund. Sometimes you are going to notice like you open the demo trade, you just forget about this, go about your normal stuff. Later you come back and you are lucky, you have like the trade is running in profit. the trade is like what, one in profit. So you need to what, avoid that particular one, trading demo for quite some time. If you want to trade demo, even this is like what I advise my students, make sure you deposit fund in your demo account that you can be able to afford when start trading it. For example, let's say I want to trade like currencies now. I'll withdraw all the cash from the broker which I'm using. Then I'll deposit, let's say I can afford like $50. I'll deposit $50 in my demo, practice with the strategy. Then when it's time for me to go into my real account, I'm now going to what, deposit the same $50. Because what, my mind is what, already focus on what, $50. But with what, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, 40,000 in your demo account, you can't basically work at all. So guys, these are the 3 things you need to avoid if you want to become profitable come 2025. Now you might want to ask like, but you have like a special group. There's no like special group. I just have like what, a private group. What is this private group used for? I have a general group. If you want to join the Telegram community, ensure to use the link in the description. Don't go to Telegram to chat for Joseph Sey Concept. There are a lot of scammers using my name and my face. Just use the link in the description. You're going to see Telegram. Join the Telegram community, the official. Alright, where I assign learning materials and all. So I have this special was this group. This group is like mainly for those that use like what, our affiliate link. What I normally do is like I send trading setup, not like ideally like Signal, because you don't tend to learn from Signal. I don't want you to depend on me. I'm human. I can disappoint you. All right, so what ideally happens is like I just like, for example, ZAO-USD, I'll analyze the charts, do all my support resistance zone and all, then I send the chart in the group. So at least that's why if you are a beginner, I'll not recommend you to join the Signal community or private group, kind of like say, because I'll not tell you when to enter. You have to have like knowledge in technical tools. You need to have like what, the knowledge. All right, you need to have what, the knowledge. For example, I'll just draw my support and resistance. It is up to you now to have understanding about candlestick pattern, about chart pattern. For example, you need to know like if price reaches the support area or the demand area, you need to be looking for bullish engulfing, the morning star, all right, the dojis and all for you to enter. So with a little bit of knowledge, the chart setup is just going to help you with your knowledge now to make it very easy for you to enter. These are the kind of communities you want to join, not someone that's going to say buy gold at 20,000, TP this, SL this and all. No, you are going to what, you are going to stay long for it to become profitable. The way which I send my chart setup is going to push you to learn about what, different technical tools. All right, so if you have any question, please just drop them in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond within 24 hours. You can also connect with me by X, Twitter, X or Twitter, wherever you used to say in Twitter. Right now it's called X. So you can connect with me by X. The username is the same. Facebook, my username is the same. Instagram and all other social media handles apart from Snapchat. I don't use Snapchat. Okay, so if you want to join the mentorship, just send me a message or just drop you're interested. Then if you can afford the $100, then I'll send you necessary details for you to just join. Thanks a lot, fam. I'm Josao. I'm from Sierra Leone, West Africa. See you in upcoming tutorials.